So our Manila is now 4 years in March. 4 years, 8,500 subscribers, something like that. 2 million views, almost 500 video. Now I tell you, I'm gonna give you a few tips and tricks on how to motovlog and how to kind of be successful on YouTube the way I will do it if I do it again, or the way I done it. So I'll make a series of video and I give you guys my point of view on how to motovlog and how to do YouTube. First thing you have to understand is subscriber doesn't matter, because I have 8,000 subscribers now. How many of them from the first 1,000, how many is still watching my video? Not many. There is some, but not many. Subscriber will come and go. You only subscribe to someone whether it's two things. You want to keep that guy in, you know, you like his video and you want to keep him on your computer to remember his video or go back sometimes, or you really like that guy and you subscribe to him to watch all his videos or once in a while. But how many subscribers, how many YouTube channels you saw with 500,000 subscribers who got 500,000 views in every video? You don't have, unless your name is Joyan Ponomarev. He's a French guy. He's actually doing a lot of. He's probably the only guy from the ratio from subscriber to view is almost the same. You look at Casinesta, his ratio of how many views per video compared to the subscriber. He's got 8 million subscribers. He doesn't do 8 million views per video. Yeah, he always make 2 million views per video, which is great, and is, you know, great channel, you know what I mean? But you're never gonna get the same number as you making video. There are also a lot of dead channel, like, you know, Travis Craft, for example. He's got a lot of dead channels. Subscribe to him because he's been doing YouTube for so long. A lot of people who subscribe to him doesn't watch YouTube anymore. Those accounts, those channels are dead, you know. You see his number of subscribers compared to the view he made, he never match. The best for this is to make 10%. That's what I heard. That's what I think. You make 10%. I got 8,000 subscribers. I should make, you know, a minimum of 800 views per video, which is good. Sometimes it doesn't happen for me. Sometimes it does happen. You know, subscribers really don't matter for your channel. What matter for your channel, I mean, subscriber does matter for us YouTuber, as it's always good to have a big, you know, I'd rather to have 50,000 subscribers than 8,000 or 800, because you have a bigger possibility to actually reach people once you put one video. If you have 200,000 subscribers, you have much more, you know, impact than me with 8,000, right? So it's good to have a big number, but it doesn't really matter. What really matter is, it's not even, the view doesn't matter neither. If you make 8,000 views per video, but you have no comment, no feedback, for me it's useless. I would rather to have 800 video, 800 view, 80 comments than 8,000 view and 8 comments. Because what I really want when I do those videos, I do it for me, but then when I share them, I want you to react and tell me what you think. That's why I like the interaction, you know, between me and the viewer. So, you know, it's just number. It doesn't matter. But, you know, as I say, it does matter for YouTube count. it does matter for some people. They will subscribe to you if you have 8,000, and if you have 80,000, your content can be good, but they'll be like, why you only have 80,000, you know? Even if you're doing a much better job than someone with 200,000, they're still not gonna subscribe to you because you have 80 subscribers only. So you know, some people also like think because it's a big number, there must be a reason. You know, there's some people actually creating content and I cannot stand. It's just not funny. It's fucking shit. But they have a lot of subscribers and a lot of view, but content is still not good. But what can you do? It's the YouTube game. Some people, they don't put any fucking work in the video, you know, and then they still get the views, still get the subscriber, and it's mostly due to thumbnail and clickbait. I do clickbait, you know, clickable title. That's what I do. Oh, this is a tight one. Fuck. I do clickable thumbnail and title, but it's always related to the video, you know. I don't like to say I almost die here, and then it was actually just a tiny close call, you know what I mean? I don't do things like that, like big lying clickbait. So yeah, what you want is really the subscriber feedback, basically. When you content creator, what you want is really the subscriber feedback, and yeah. So another topic on YouTube, tip on how to motovlog. Choose a good name. Choose the right name. Me, I used to call myself I Ride London. Why? Because I ride, you know, I ride motorcycle. And I was in London, so I Ride London, you know. Choose something with, you know, related to you, or even better if you can tell just by the name what the channel is about. You know what I mean? Like if I create a food channel, I'll probably create a name like chef, because I'm a chef. Chef share food, so I will talk about food, right? Or chef life, you know. He will tell you straight away what is it for. Get yourself obviously, you know, on Twitter, Instagrams and all that social media thing, YouTube, Facebook. Oh shit, just the exhaust just touched again. That's the problem with the Raider. The exhaust is so low and every time you just touch. Get yourself on Instagram everywhere. Create your page, Facebook. Now the best way to promote yourself is obviously to use those links, those social media. I'm never on Twitter. I don't think I ever put a statue on Twitter or tweet something. But my YouTube is linked to my Twitter, so as soon as I put a video on Twitter, as soon as I put a video on YouTube, it goes to Twitter straight away. You know, goes to Twitter straight away, and he actually go to my second Facebook also, so you can see straight away. I share my video on Facebook as a link first. Now, how to make it on Facebook is actually the opposite. YouTube, you need to, I'll talk about this in another video about YouTube, but you need a minimum of you know, it's good. You see all the motovlogger, for example, all the vlogger, they all go between 8 and 10 minute video. Why? Because it's that's something I never done before actually. I used to always make it like 5 to 7 minutes, and 7 minutes was quite long. So I wanted to make 3 videos instead of 1. And that is the problem. When you when you make small video on YouTube, you watch. What's really important for YouTube system is the watch time. So if you make video of 3 minutes, you won't have the same watch time as the video of 10 minutes. So if you do interesting content in a 10-minute video and people watch it, YouTube will take your channel and come on, you put the indicator at the end. YouTube will take your channel and put it before the guy you do a 1-minute video, you know. Now on Facebook is way different. On Facebook, the smaller the video is, the shorter the video is, the better it is, from what I heard. And upload your video on Facebook, you know. Share the link on YouTube first, and then later upload them on Facebook. And what I did at first, I used to be a member of a lot of group on Facebook. That's how a lot of people know me. And what I did, I just take the link from my Facebook page, the one that because on Facebook the video is playing straight away, no? You know, it's not like on Facebook, on YouTube when you have to click. So take that link who's playing straight away and share it to other group. And you can reach, like, if you know, there's some group you have 200,000 followers on the group, so member. So if you share that link to other people, it can reach a lot of people, and that's how you get the Facebook like most of the time. People like something. It's much more easy to get Facebook like, to be honest, than to get subscribers on YouTube, because I think people are much more on Facebook than YouTube. So yeah. So do that with Facebook. Instagram, I try to post a little bit. I think I have 500 followers on Instagram, which is not a lot, but just, you know, always have a few hashtags on the side and just copy and paste, put a few pictures and see how it goes, you know. Yeah, that's the thing. Promote yourself, you know, you need to do it. Nobody will do it.
Many thoughts on my mind, I can't sleep at night, so I just keep writing. I don't need no help, I don't need opinions, so don't waste my time then. I just been living online, my city don't show me no love, and that's fine. Fuck local radio stations, I got more plays than all of these rappers combined. I'm going again, I've been going in, I'm fed up with so many things, I gotta just let it all out. I'm talking about the shit they've been talking about, telling me I should do this, telling me I should do that, telling me things about rap, talking the truth and that stab in my back that will knock me off track. No, too many things have been building, been hard to deal with, I just been drinking. Remember my many thoughts on my mind, I can't sleep at night, so I just keep writing. I don't need no help, I don't need opinions, so don't waste my time then. I just been living online, my city don't show me no love, and that's fine. Fuck local radio stations, I got more plays than all of these rappers combined. I'm going again, I've been going in, I'm fed up with so many things, I gotta just let it all out. I'm talking about the shit they've been talking about, telling me I should do this, telling me I should do that, telling me things about rap, talking the truth and that stab in my back that will knock me off track. No, too many things have been building, been hard to deal with, I just been drinking. Remember my